Hi, I'm Theo. A friend of mine recently asked if I could help making a smaller version of the puppet Ortha, this one here. And I did rework my 3D models that I still had and made a puppet-size version. The original version wasn't meant to be used as a hand puppet, so there was not that much space inside for the puppeteer's hand, and I had to change some internal structures to make it easier usable as a puppet. The teeth are also 3D printed. They are printed with TPU, so flexible material, and that makes them really strong and they will not be damaged easily. I still have to build the eyes because Ortha's eye color is a bit unusual. That's They're mostly black. And I'll probably also make a 3D model for her ears. Um, Originally, those were made with a sheet of foam, but I've made really nice 3D printed TPU ears now, and they would work really good with his character, and they're also easy to use for animatronics with the attachment points for the Bowden cables already integrated. So that's it for now. I'll see you again as soon as I have all the other parts ready for this hat.